Hi everybody, I'm in Southampton about to board a cruise to Norway. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Hey y'all, we are about to leave the hotel room here in Southampton to go get on the ship because it is cruise day. First day of our Norway cruise. We're so excited, can't wait. We're waiting for our cab right now and it's almost time. I just saw online there's other people getting on the ship and I just can't wait. Actually, I kind of look like I got a lot of sun over the last couple of days here. Anyway, so we are on our way out of the hotel room, so let's go have some fun.
1 to a million. There's so many different reasons why I like you. Let's keep this going. We can change it up if we want to. Keep it guessing, keep it guessing.
There it is. There it is. Anthem of the Seas right there. We're about to get on the ship. So excited. This right here was really quick to the port from the hotel. Maybe 5 minutes.
We could have walked.
We really could have walked. But yeah, it's really quick. A lot of people here right now, so let's go get on ship.
Na, 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 na. 4 or 1,000. There's no adding up the number. So many feelings. Gonna let it out, not under. Keep me guessing, keep me guessing. Keep me guessing, keep me guessing. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's not hard to say how I feel. Ooh la la, ooh la la. It's kinda easy now cause it's real. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It ain't hard to say how I feel. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's kinda easy now cause it's real. Gonna say how I feel, cause I know that it's something real. Gonna say how I feel, cause I know that it's something real. Hey, hey. Gonna say how I feel, cause I know that it's something real. Gonna say how I feel.
Okay, first order of business before anything else, start making reservations. Okay, so we spent some time putting down all the things that we wanted to do into the schedule. Really didn't have to reserve anything just yet. Still got to find out how to get on the iFly and the little arm thing that goes up and down, I can't remember, the North Star. So we're gonna have to figure that out later. Right now we're gonna go and get something to eat. Try to go to the bistro and the solarium. So let's see if we can. Okay, everybody. My first impressions of this ship is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this ship is my new favorite ship in the entire fleet. Even better than Wonder of the Seas. This ship is just beautiful, and I've only seen just going from when we first got on the ship to back here at the solarium. But yeah, this ship was gorgeous. So I just got me a salad. Trying to eat a little bit healthier after all the junk that I've been eating, like the fish and chips and all the ciders and stuff. So try to eat a little bit healthier. But yeah, we're waiting for the rooms to be ready. Should be ready in about 30 minutes or so. The solarium bistro closes at 1:30. It's about 1 o'clock right now. And yeah, this has been a wonderful experience so far. Everybody's super nice. The ship's gorgeous. What else could you ask for? After lunch, we went back on deck to join the excitement that would be my first Southampton sail away. But first, it was my shot at the iFly. Well, this is flattering. After the adrenaline subsided from iFly, it was time to shove off for sail away. Okay, for our first dinner, we're going to be eating in the Windjammer. It's sail away right now. First time I've ever sailed out of Southampton. A very industrial port, but it was kind of neat. Got to see some brand new cars being loaded on a shipping container, all fresh and shiny and new with all the plastic on top, which was kind of cool. So yeah, I'm waiting on Doug to get back, and then I'm going to go get my food. Okay, so I've got the Guinness meat pie, a little bubble and squeak, Venetian potatoes, and then some Indian food and some chicken sausage. Okay, so I've had the bubble and squeak. This right here kind of tastes like a croqueta, a ham croqueta, but not deep fried. Kind of like a moist biscuit with ham in it. Not bad. And then the meat pie is actually better than the one that I had in Southampton. It has a lot more flavor to it. Really good. Really flaky crust. Really good. The sausage, yeah, it's alright. And then the chicken tikka, the Indian food that I had, it's pretty good too. Their Indian food is really good on the ships. I like it a lot. So, all in all, not bad. After dinner, we enjoyed sail-away castles before heading down to the schooner bar for the internationally renowned Perry Grant.
Good showers, they come your way. They bring more flowers that bloom in May. But when it's raining, I've no regrets. It's raining.
And finally, a little sail-away montage and some photos. Okay, y'all, that is the end of day one. We're going to be just going and relaxing. Probably not really a whole lot to film after that. And so I just want to sign off. Tell you thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps me on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.